Hello! Hi everyone! Welcome back to Milaartistique channel. So, nice to see you again. So, this video that you're going to watch is the caricature that I did. And this is the one I've just finished. And he's the son of the winner for the month of May that I am giving away for free caricature every month. So her name is Nasli Nunez, and she requested if I can be able to draw her son instead of her. So the reason why I'm doing this is that I want to continue what I'm doing before. Way back 2000, I have my art studio that was named Little Handprint, and then after a year I named it to Creative Hand. So, and it continued in Puerto Rico, in Mayagüez, and then I brought in Colorado, and then here I am in Florida. Continue again. So, but this time it's different. It's in YouTube. So I hope you're going to like the video, and let's watch it. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. You accompanied me until the end. So, see you next video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, hit the like, and ring the bell so you will be notified every time I have a new video. Bye!